Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views. Today is July 18th, 2011. Let's get right into these charts now. You're going to see the futures are under pressure again this morning, down about 9 points. There's a lot of chatter out there about the debt ceiling in the United States and the European Union falling apart at the seams as we speak. You do have yields spiking in Italian, Spanish, Irish, Greek bonds. It doesn't make a difference what country it is. Yields are surging in Europe this morning. And again, when yields go up, that's a sign of instability and lack of demand as bond prices are continuing to fall over there. So again, looks like the Greek deal lasted about a week, and then we see a lot of problems in the European Union once again. This should linger really throughout the rest of 2011, maybe into 2012. We'll see how this all plays out in Europe. But right now, the European markets are trading lower across the board. Um, whether it's the FTSE 100, the CAC 40, or the German DAX, they're all down a little bit over 1%. Not a pretty picture over there, and we'll see how this all plays out. Again, futures are down about 9.5 points at the moment. Make that 10 points right to 1305, and you can see here live time futures are dipping a little bit. Now, when the futures decline, usually means the US dollar index is trading higher, and we'll take a look at the dollar this morning, which is having a really nice pop on the US dollar index futures, trading up about 40 cents. Has pulled back really off the morning high. Looks like we made a little high right here, right around 650 this morning. Has pulled back a little bit, but now getting another little secondary bid. And nice move for the dollar, up about 40 cents at the moment, trading just underneath the 76 level, which has been a key level. If you look at the daily dollar chart, you'll see that the dollar has been making a series of higher lows and getting a nice little push, at least this morning, to start the day in this new trading week. So again, it's all about Europe, and that's really where we stand at the moment. Now, if we look at gold, gold is moving up again today, a new high for gold. We'll take a look at the GLD, which really has come in off the highs, but did take out that 156 level in the pre-market. So we'll see if this level is of importance right now. It looks to be a pretty good resistance point as gold is pulled back a little bit, but we'll see where it goes at the start of the trading day if we go back up there and retest that area. Okay, so gold is trading higher. We'll take a look at the USO. And USO is trading off the highs of the day. USO closed at 38.13 and now has pulled back. Spot crude is also trading a little bit lower this morning. Was higher earlier and now has retreated lower by 75 cents to around 96.50 a barrel at the moment. And you see it here. The USO is also sold off a little bit. So trading right around 37.76. Let's take a look at silver. We'll use the SLV, which has pulled off the high a little bit, but nonetheless, SLV closed at 38.24 on Friday afternoon. Today it's trading at 39.09, so trading higher with gold. And anytime you get these European debt crisis in play, gold, silver, a lot of the precious metals will all participate to the upside, and that's surely been the catalyst as of late. Now, Tim Geithner, the Treasury Secretary, was on CNBC in an interview this morning at 8 o'clock, trying to ask that we can't default. The United States cannot default on its debt, and they need some kind of a debt ceiling increase. The president is looking for about $2.2 trillion to spend over the next year or so. That's a lot of money, and we'll see how that all plays out. But nonetheless, you know how the politicians are. It's like a soap opera. It'll go down to the final show probably before something is finally done. Whether it's an increase or they're outright just not going to increase it. I have to think that they'll increase it since they've increased it 70 times prior, and the president has already increased the debt ceiling since he's been in office, as did George Bush too. There's really no difference. I'm not taking sides here between Republicans and Democrats. I don't really see much of a difference personally. But in any case, so we'll see how that all plays out. If you get any kind of debt ceiling deal done, certainly the Wall Street crowd will rejoice, and I would expect a move up in the market. So you got to really just sit on every word now at the moment. Stay nimble in this market. Don't really get caught up in too much when it comes to that stuff. Just watch the U.S. dollar index. Should tell you everything you need to know. Let's take a look at some stocks that are in the news this morning. LNKD is linked in. This stock is getting hit, traded around 110 on Friday. This morning is trading at 106.80. So LinkedIn is down a little bit this morning. Netflix is also under a little bit of pressure. Let's take a look at Netflix. You'll see that one is also trading lower this morning. And then, of course, you have News Corp, which I really don't even like to talk about because it's still amazing, this story about the hacking of telephone lines and things like that. But this stock is getting hit this morning. You can see on the daily chart, it's really taken a shellacking as of late. And this morning, News Corp is down again. I don't really see anything great or terrible at this stage for the stock, but somebody's getting caught with that. Well, why would you even want to own the stock at this point? Again, for a trade, maybe it's something in there, but I'm just not seeing the pattern on the chart at the moment. So we'll leave it at that today to start this new trading week. There's a lot going on, but again, continue to watch the dollar. Dollar goes down, market should inflate. If the dollar rallies up, this market should deflate lower. And debt ceiling deal, I think it's around the corner. We'll see how that plays out and how that happens. But in any case, that's really all we got for today. Just stay nimble on this Monday, but it should be a volatile one, so should make a good day for day trading. Okay, everybody, I see you on the charts at 9:30. Have a great trading day.